Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will explore artificial neural network, a key technology in artificial intelligence. ANN are computing system inspired by human brain, made up of layer of interconnected nodes called neurons. They are used in tasks like image recognition, speech processing and predictions. In this video we will learn how ANN work, their structure and common types. Let's get started. Artificial neural networks are AI systems inspired by human brain. They consist of layers of neurons that work together to process data, recognize patterns and make predictions. Examples: ANN are used in facial recognition, voice assistant and self-driving cars. Artificial neural networks are inspired by human brains. Neuron in the brain processes and transmits information. Similarly, ANN uses artificial neurons connected in the layers to process data and learn patterns. In short, ANN mimic human brain structure to solve complex problems like image recognition and language processing. An artificial neural network is made up of layers of interconnected neurons. Input layer receives the data. Hidden layer processes data and learn pattern using weights and activation function. Output layer produces the final result or predictions. For an example, predicting the house price. Input will be size and location, number of rooms. Hidden layer analyze patterns. Output will be predicted price. Artificial neural network works by passing data through layers of neurons. Input layer receives raw data. Hidden layer transforms data using weights, bias and activation function to find patterns. Output layer produces predictions or decision. Example: an image recognition, the ANN takes an input as image, process features in the hidden layer and output the identified object. Learning in ANN means adjusting weights and bias of connections to minimize error and improve prediction. Backpropagation algorithm: calculate error, propagate error backward, update weight to minimize error. Example: in handwritten digit recognition, ANN learn from many labeled images to correctly identify new digits. There are several common types of artificial neural networks. Feed-forward neural network: data flows only in forward direction from input to output. Convolutional neural network used for image and video processing. Recurrent neural network handles sequential data like text or speech. Long short-term memory, a type of RNN that remembers long-term dependencies. Autoencoder used for data compression and feature learning. In short, each type is suited for different tasks like vision, language or predictions. Activation function decide whether a neuron should be activated or not, helping the network learn complex patterns. Common activation functions are sigmoid, output between 0 and 1, 10H, output between -1 and 1, ReLU, rectified linear unit, output 0 for negative and linear for positive. Softmax converts output into probabilities for classification. ReLU is widely used in image recognition model for faster learning. Artificial neural networks are used in many real-world applications: image and video recognition, face detection, object recognition, speech and voice processing, virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa, medical diagnosis, predicting diseases from the patient data, financial forecasting, stock market prediction, self-driving car, analyzing sensor data for autonomous navigation. In short, ANN learn patterns from data to solve complex tasks across industries. Thanks for watching. If you like this video on ANN, please like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more educational videos and interview tips that can help you crack exams and interviews.